Hi guys, it's been a while. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. I'm Chesouye. As the title suggests, we're gonna be doing a little get to know you Q&A because I have been gone a while and the last one would have been so long ago. So many things have changed, and so I thought it was only right that I do a Q&A. If you're hearing any noise in the background, that is definitely my fan. I cannot do without it, so yeah, let's just ignore that. Yeah guys, so we will be doing a Q&A. I did ask you guys to send me questions on Instagram and you did come true, so I'm so happy about that. Yeah, let me check if there's any more questions because I do believe it is still up, but I just want to get the video out of the way, so I'm just gonna check if there's any more questions that I missed. Alright, I think I have all the questions now. So the first question that you guys asked was, what motivated you to start YouTube? Okay, so my motivation for YouTube is I just love content creating, and I remember asking my mom in college, can you get me a iPhone so that I could vlog? And she actually did, and that's when I started YouTube, right in COVID. And yeah, but I love content creating. If you know me, I'm the type of person that I just like to make videos and like document the moment and then watch it back years later, and I love to share my experiences with my audience. It's just me. Like, I just love creating content, just love it. What are some things you enjoy doing? So I really like to cook, as you all know. I really like to cook. I like going out sometimes, but now I feel like I'm just more adventurous. So I like the river, I like the beach, I like anywhere I can. I like to hike, I like to go on a run. I'm really into fitness right now, or I'm trying to convince myself that I am. But yeah. If you could live anywhere, where would that be? I really like the Asian countries. I really like the Asian countries. I do. Right now though, I would just really like to experience life living in a first world country, and I'm not necessarily talking about like Canada or the UK or the US. I'm talking about places like Austria, Germany, those countries, Japan, China. I just feel like it's a different experience than what other people crave, because even though like I feel like the US and the UK and the Canada, their culture is altered because they have a lot of Jamaicans there, but those countries don't necessarily do. So I feel like living there, I would get such a raw like reaction or experience. I don't know, but yeah. But I really do love Jamaica. I wouldn't mind living here my whole life. I genuinely love Jamaica. My family is here, my life is here, and so just saying, yeah. A goal you would like to accomplish before 2025? Girl, I don't know because I feel like I achieved all my goals that I wrote down for this year. But a goal that I want to accomplish before the year ends is just being more calmer overall in all aspects of life. Like, I don't want to rush anything. I just want to be peaceful and calm. I do want to get like different hobbies, try out different hobbies. Yeah, but I feel like I accomplished all my goals before the year already, and like I accomplished them all by March this year. So yeah. do you have a hidden talent? I wouldn't say it's hidden, but I used to do art in high school, so I can paint, I can draw. I don't know if I still got it, but because you know, if you don't use it, you lose it. But yeah, I used to do that in high school. What's advice you would give to your younger self? So to my younger self, I would say, girl, slow down. Nah, nothing is going nowhere, I promise you. I would tell myself like it will all be okay. Like I know it doesn't seem that it's okay like right now, but it will all be okay. And I would tell my younger self to trust God more, pray more, and invest in your faith. I would also tell my younger self to prioritize you. Don't invest so much time and energy in other people, relationships, friendships, parents, family, and just invest all that time in yourself, because it makes much more sense. I'll also tell my younger self to be grateful for everything, because whatever the situation that you're in right now, it is totally different than what it was a year ago, and you have to be grateful for that. And also you have to be grateful for the experience, because with the years come wisdom and knowledge and understanding that you wouldn't otherwise have. I would also tell my younger self to continue working hard. And you're beautiful. I love you. I promise it works out way better in the end. And don't worry so much, don't overthink so much. Just be you, take up space, blossom where you're planted, bloom where you are. You are the rose from the concrete, and nothing will change that. The black sheep, everybody else white but you black, and that's fine. But just put more time, put more effort, put more energy into Chesouye. I promise you it will pay off. You'll love yourself some more, love on yourself. Self-love is everything, and I'll see you in the future. Yeah, that's exactly what I would tell my younger self. A fast food restaurant that you think is overrated. Y'all trying to get me cancelled? But honestly, let me see what fast food restaurant I think is overrated. I don't really eat fast food that much, to be honest. But what fast food don't I like? I feel like I like something in every single fast food chain, because like at Popeyes I like their fries, and I don't normally eat fries. I like Island Grill fries as well, but I also like I like Island Grill for like the breast and peas and chicken. I like that from Island Grill, but I like the festivals as well. I like the soup. I like, but I don't really love Wendy's anymore. I used to love Wendy's. I don't really love Wendy's no more. But like I said, guys, I don't really eat fast food that much, so I don't know what I would say is overrated. Somebody asked, how is life thus far? I started to make a little life update video, but like while I was driving, but it didn't work out, because like the whole concept of the video, I started it but then I didn't feel like doing the video anymore, so I just like left it. But life thus far is like really good, because I started the year like at 50% good, and then midway I was not even midway, but like by March, April, May, like by May I was like at 0%, and then I've slowly been working my way back up to 100%, and I can say that I am in a much better space, much better, like mentally, emotionally, physically. I'm in a much better place. I just feel like life is more peaceful. I'm more happy. y'all know I went through a breakup, and I honestly didn't like expect it, and then having it happen was just crazy to me. Yeah, but I've been like dating myself. I haven't taken anybody serious since then. I haven't even been on any dates, I don't think. I just been living life, and life is good. I've been spending more time with my family, trying to spend time with my friends, but I have been working a lot. I worked a lot this year, and I have my first vacation in a couple of weeks. I'm hoping that I get a lot of content for you guys, but it is like a very special trip because somebody that I really love and I haven't seen in a long while, like years, is coming to visit me. And so I don't know what it's gonna be like, if I'm gonna vlog a lot or if I'm gonna do like a montage vlog, because that should be really cute, right? Yeah, I think that would be really cute. But yeah, life is good. I am so grateful. Like through the times when I was at zero, I worked on my faith, I kept my family close, I kept my friends close, I did things that I love, like I cooked a lot, and I slowly worked my way back to 100%, and that is so like amazing. I prayed a lot, read the Bible a lot, I did my devotionals in the morning, I read my devotionals in the morning, focused on my faith, and just thank God that, you know, I found out when I did, and I'm able to like still, like when I pray, I don't pray for the big things. I pray for things like, thank you God for waking me up today, thank you God for giving me the ability again to move my arms, move my feet, because other people wake up and they don't have access to that. Thank you God that, you know, I may not have everything that I want in life, but at least I have food. Some people don't have food. At least I have a nice bed, a nice comfortable bed. You blessed me with a job that I could afford to buy a nice bed. I have family. I have my mom still with me. I have my dad still living, he's with me, and like I have everybody here on earth. I haven't lost anybody in such a long while, and that is something to be grateful for. And so that's how I like got past my zero moments, and now I'm happy and I'm so grateful. Like, it's crazy. Somebody asked, will you have a baby? And guys, I'm so old school, I'm so traditional. I don't want to have a baby if I'm not married, but I do believe that I could see myself being a mom, but like sometimes, and then the other times I'm like, I don't really have I don't think I have the patience, because you know, you guys know I have younger siblings and they can be a pain sometimes. So I don't know, I'm almost at 25. I'm still pretty young, so I'm not really like focusing on love and marriage and all that. But if it does happen, I'm open to the idea. But I don't know if I see that for me. The dating world is trash. The men think they're the prize, and yeah, I don't even want to get into that. How to get into software engineering. So personally, I know a lot of people sometimes they get into tech without going to college, but I do recommend like going to college, because it does give you like, because software engineering is not the only path into tech. So I do believe that people should try and see what their best fit is, because some people, they're like really good ethical hackers. You have some people that they're really good cybersecurity people. Yeah, they're really good network engineers and stuff like that. So I do believe that you should try until you find your footing in tech. You don't have to do software engineer, but like if you insist, what I did, I majored in software engineer. I did my degree though in information technology, so I got an idea of everything, and then I did a double major. So I believe like you should go to college, learn fundamentals of like software and like programming, and learn everything, even the cybersecurity aspect, because it all leads back up. Because I remember in cybersecurity I learned about different parts of a computer and how to do this and how to do that and how to route things, and it really does make a difference. Yeah, so guys, I do believe that was the last question. Thank you so much for watching. Do ensure you like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye. Condom rappers wasn't cool. They wasn't cool. I fucked Shireen and went to tell my bros. Then Usher Raymond let it burn came on. Hot sauce all that night time rhyming, yeah bitch. Park the car then we start rhyming, yeah bitch. The only thing we had to free our mind. Then freeze that verse when we see dollar signs. You looking like an easy come up, yeah bitch. A silver spoon, I know you come from, yeah bitch. And that's a lifestyle that we never knew. Go at a rapping for the revenue. Halle Berry or hallelujah. Pick your poison, tell me what you do. Everybody go respect the shooter, but the one in front of the gun lives forever. The one in front of the gun forever. And I've been hustling all day, this away, that away, through canals and alleyways, just the same. Money trees is the perfect place for shade, and that's just how I feel. $8 make just fuck your main bitch. That's just how I feel.